To find your IP address on a Windows PC, you can follow these steps. Using the Settings app, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings app. Select Network and Internet from the list of options. Click on View Your Network Properties under the Advanced Network Settings section. Look for the IP address listed under your active network connection. This is your local IP address. Your local IP address is the address your computer uses to communicate within your local network.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.